Welcome to the past simple using were. In this lesson, we will look at the past tense of the verb to be using were. You are, you were. We are, we were. They are, they were. You were a student. You were students. We were at home yesterday. They were born in 2016. In the negative, for the past simple, we use weren't. Were not, weren't. You weren't at the office yesterday. You and Jack weren't at the office yesterday. We weren't at home yesterday. They weren't at home last weekend. In this lesson, we have learnt were and weren't. You were, you weren't. We were, we weren't. You were, you weren't. They were, they weren't. Welcome to Questions in the Past Simple. In this lesson, we'll learn to ask questions in the past simple using did. In the past simple, to ask questions, we use did, the past of do. Did helps the main verb. Did is the past of do, so this tells us it was in the past. Did is an auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb means helping verb. Did helps the main verb. Did goes before the verb. Did plus subject plus main verb. Did is the past of do, so this tells us it was in the past. For example, did you go yesterday? Did you go yesterday? Did you go yesterday? Yes or no questions using did. Did he buy the book? Did they see their friend? Did he win? You can also ask information questions using did. What, who, where, when, why, how. Question words go before did. Question plus did plus subject plus main verb. For example, what did you do? What did I do? What did you do? What did he do? What did she do? What did it do? What did we do? What did they do? What? What did you do last week? Who? Who did you see? Where? Where did they live? When? When did you go to London? Why? Why did you buy it? How? How did you get there? In this lesson, we have learnt to ask questions in the past simple using did. Repeat after me. Did he buy the book? What did you do last week? Who did you see? Where did they live? When did you go? Why did you buy it? How did you get there? Welcome to Answers in the Past Simple using did. In this lesson, we'll learn how to answer questions in the past simple using yes or no. Yes or no questions and answers. We answer using did without the main verb. Yes or no answers only use the helping verb. For example, did you play football this morning? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Not yes, we play or no, we play not. We just use did in the positive or negative. Yes, we did. No, we didn't. We can also use information questions and answers. We use what, where, when, who, why, how to ask for information. We don't use did in the answer we use the main verb as we are giving information. What did you do last night? I watched a movie. When did you go to London? Last summer. I went last summer. Who did you go with? My friends. I went with my friends. Why did you go home late? I had to work late yesterday. In this lesson, we've learnt to answer questions in the past simple. For yes, no questions, yes, he did, no, he didn't. For information questions, what did you do yesterday? I watched TV.